Good morning. Here we study the SYBSc practical paper. We study the plant protection appliances. First, it is a knapsack sprayer which is used to spray on the crops to eradicate or kill the insect pest or increase the yield of plants. It is a type of container which having trigger trigger lock nozzles. From nozzle, we spray the insecticide or to kill the insect pest. It is a shoulder strapped to hanging this container backside of the human beings. It is a pump handle. In one hand, the kept pump handle, and in second hand, it hose or trigger from pump. We up and down this pump handle and then spray the insecticide by the nozzle. It is a tank lid. From this tank lid, we open this tank lid and pour the chemical or insecticide. It consists of spray container which mounts comfortably on the back of the operator here and supported by a straps over the shoulders. Straps used for to hanging this container spray container. A double action pump is built either inside or outside the spray container and is operated by a working a lever which is projects alongside of the operator's body. In some models the pump layer also operates an agitation paddle in the spray tank. Nowadays these knapsack sprayer are on charging on electrics. The sprayer is being portable and handy. It can be used for spraying in inaccessible areas. About half hectare of crop field can be sprayed per day. It is easy to spray and all farmers are purchased by this knapsack sprayer. Amount is very less. Hence this is affordable protection appliance. It is a rotary duster. It is equipment used for application of dry powdered poison to plant body or insect. Dusting in general is best done easily in the morning when there is no wind or late in the evening after the dew has fallen. It is a type of air duster or gas duster. It is fumigant used to spread gas to kill the insect or poisonous powder used plant body to kill the insects, which is used in morning where wind is less or wind pressure is less than the in day. Hence it is mainly used in morning only. Dusting is commonly used for spraying in the inaccessible areas about half hectare of crop field nearing harvest. Shoulder type of rotary duster. It consists of container. Here it is a container or called the hopper. For the dust, a system of agitation to disturb the and a feed mechanism to pass the dust into a current of air which is carried through a outlet as a turbulent cloud. In this type of duster, a fan is driven off and hand cranked through a reduction gear produce an air system. airstream. The airstream passes through a exhaust pipe on which a hopper is mounted just away from the tip of exhaust pipe mouth. Then powder is released into a mixing chamber by a simple agitator. The air mixed with dust then travels through a pipe and comes out as a finely dispersed dust, which particles are in air through terminal openings. The duster provided with the shoulder strap for fastening to the shoulder of the apparatus. The capacity of hopper is 4 to 5 kg and is useful for dusting raw crops as well as bushy trees. This type of duster can dust up to 1 hectare to field crop per day. Advantages of dusting: it prepared in less time, economical where water is scarce. This rotary duster is used where water is in less proportion or it is in less. This area we use the dusting sprayer. It is easier to apply. Machinery for application is light and less complicated. Disadvantages of dusting over spraying: it control of borer by dusting than spraying, more expensive than spraying, adherence of dust not so well as in spin spray. Thank you so much. These are the two appliances of plant protections.